Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to Rosum and also their flagship model Rosum Aurora. Rosum is a hyper-growth AI company that automates document communication. Every single day, thousands of lifetimes are burned on manually dealing with documents in enterprise back offices. It's really a very taxing job and it makes the whole world go slower. Rossum intends to eliminate useless paperwork from business and transform how companies worldwide communicate while working together. Have you ever dealt with all those invoices, bill of materials, bill of lading, POs like purchase orders, and all those different sort of documents? Still, in this digital era, we all know that we have to deal with all of those documents, and there are piles and piles of them. It not only slows down the businesses, but it also slows down the whole chain of work and the society overall. That is where this new AI, this Rosam Aurora, tries to help out. It enables you to accelerate your digital transformation journey, improving operational efficiencies, and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. There are a lot of features for this advanced AI, which is Rosam Aurora. And in this video, I'm going to show you the demo of it as how you can use it to gain and glean intelligence out of your business documents such as tax invoices. I will also drop the link to their website in video's description so that you can play around with your 14-day trial, which is quite generous, I should say. Now, before we delve into the demo, let me give you a quick overview. One of the best features which I have found out quite enticing about this Rosem Aurora is that it is quite easy to use. You don't have to deal with any AI or machine learning mumbo jumbo. You can only focus on your task. Now, all you need to do in order to gain information from your text documents or any sort of business document is to import or upload the document and then leave rest to the AI. AI is going to extract the data, it will validate it, it will apply any business logic of your choice, it will integrate your other systems like SAP or any other systems with your documents, and then it will export it after your review. And again, you can do a lot of integrations here. So one of the hallmark of this ROSM is that it is uh, it tries to do these LLM tasks without as less hallucinations as possible, and its automation is quite trustworthy. Plus, it is secure and reliable platform with zero risk of prompt injection attacks or data leaks. Now, it also just doesn't leave everything to AI. It offers you a good blend of unique human AI collaboration. So, apart from that, I think the best advantage of this Rosam Aurora model is that it saves you time and free up your capacity. According to their website, you can have 37.6% reduction in errors compared to previous generation, and you save a lot of time. Okay, enough theory. Let's log into Rosam's website and see how it works. So I already have signed up with my email address, and you can see that this is a console you get once you log in. Now, once you log in there, all you need to do, you need to just either upload your files directly from here, and let me make it a bit bigger, or you can use their API to upload the files. Let me upload a PDF Australian tax invoice to this Rosam Aurora, and then we will see AI in action. So let me show you the code first as how you can use the API, or if you want the console, you can simply choose files from your desktop and upload them directly. But I'm going to show you the API way in Python. So this is a Python code which you need in order to install and then run Rosam API. First step, install this Rosam module from pip by just doing pip install Rosam. I already have done it. And then simply import the module of Rosam client. Just specify your username and password through which you log into that Rosam console, and then simply give the path to your file. My file is in the same directory as my code, so I have just given the name of it. This is the API URL, and then from here just use Rosum client to upload the file, and it will give you the URL through which you can access that file. So let me run it after putting in my username and password, and then we'll go to the console to check the file. Okay, so let's go to the browser, and there you go. You can see that one of my document has been uploaded here. If I just check my EU one or UK one or US one, you can see that there already are some of the sample ones. And if you go to the EU one, which is the closest to what Australian is, there I have my Australian tax invoice. So I have clicked on it, and then it is just telling me one of the tour that what it is doing. We can skip the tour. Now this is my Australian tax invoice for a fictitious fictional business, and look at that. On the left hand side it has broken down it into the parts of documents, and as you click on it, it is telling you different sort of data about it. So you can just simply click on this one, and then you can check it out. For example, document type tax invoice, which is true, and there it is in English, which is correct. And then this is account number, IBAN, and lot of other information where you have. So you can just verify it, and then either you can reject it, or you can postpone it, or you can confirm it. And this is the document which it has identified. How cool is that? So just let's confirm it. I'll just say okay, that is cool, skip. There you go. So on the right hand side it has generated it, and if it would have found any issue, it would have given us uh, the option to confirm it. But as you can see that it also has human step in it, which is quite good. And then similarly, if I just click on this sample one, there you go. So there's a box, you can just change it here or here, just typing something like, if you think it has made the mistake, and you can simply change it. And similarly this where it has found any error. So how cool is that? You can delete it from here and then confirm it. And as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of other good features around it. Like for example, if you want to do the automations, you can do automations from here, and then you can integrate it with a lot of other stuff like SAP, Oracle's NetSuite, UiPath for the robotics platform automation, and then a lot of other things which you can use as per for your requirement. For example, if you have an um, SFT MFT system where you do the file transfer, you can even export it there, which is awesome. I think this could be real good deal. Plus, if you want to export it to AWS S3 buckets, you can do it from there too. So for example, if I click there, you can add it into your project and then start using from it. Of course, you would need to provide some of the AWS credentials. And then if you're looking for help, then on the top right, you have this help button where you can go to their quick start guide, videos, and developer hub. And as I showed you Python code, you can use the Java, Bash, R, and there are various other API languages available of your choice through which you can use the Rosum. So that's it, guys. This was just a quick intro of Rosum. I'll be exploring it further. I will drop the link to it in video description. If you have any thoughts, let me know in the comments. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.